Hi guys, welcome back to Soft Asia Tech. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can add image comparison in your WordPress page using WPBakery page builder. To add image comparison like this in your WordPress website, first you need to log in to the dashboard. Now once you log in to your site, go to plugins and click on add new. Now in the search bar, search IT Mega add-on for WPBakery. Install this plugin and then activate it. After activation, go back to dashboard. Now before proceeding further, please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Now go to pages and click on add new. Add page title and publish the page. After publishing, click on WPBakery page builder and then click on backend editor. Now remove this row. Click on add element button. You can see IT Mega add-on section. Click on it. Now here you have to select image comparison widget. Click on it. Now from style section you have 5 different styles. I'm going with style 1. Now add image before. I'm selecting this one and then select after image like this. Click on set image button. Now add image size. I'll choose large. You can also add before and after title. I'm selecting before. Applying filters. After applying filters. Now save changes and preview the page. Now here you can see after before text and after text. Now by dragging this arrow you can compare your images like that. Now he will change this text position. For this, go back to editor, edit the widget, scroll down from label position, select it to center. Now save changes and preview the changes. Now here you can see text in center. Now you can see the second image was appearing just 28%. Now he will increase it to 50%. When image loads, it look like that. For this, go back to editor, edit the widget, scroll down here, 25, make it 50. Now save changes and preview the changes. Now you can see by default it appears in the middle of image. Now go back to editor, edit this section, go to styling. You can change text color, white, text background color to black. You can also change arrow color and arrow background color. Now save changes and review the changes. Now you can see arrow color changes and text color was changed. That's how you can add image comparison in your WordPress blog using WPBakery and IT Mega Editors plugin. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.